In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage pending orders in the Robinhood app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your in-progress activity, how to focus on just your stock orders, and what each detail means so you can make informed decisions. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone. On the bottom navigation bar, look to the far right for the account icon that looks like a person. Tap that to open your account dashboard. This is the control center for your profile, balances, and activity, so it's the best place to review anything in flight. From here, go to history. It's listed in the account drop-down and shows a timeline of what's happened on your account. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. History is where Robinhood organizes both completed actions and anything that hasn't finished processing yet. Inside history, look for the pending section. This is where you'll see anything still in progress, such as stock or options orders that haven't filled yet, as well as money transfers that are on the way. Think of pending as your real-time queue. If it's not done, it will appear here until it either completes or gets cancelled. If you have a lot of activity, it can be helpful to narrow the view. On the right side, use the sort or filter option and choose orders to see only pending stock orders. This removes transfers and other items from view so you can focus on trades you might want to adjust. You can always switch back later to see everything again. When you spot a specific pending order, tap it to open the details. Here you'll typically see the order type, the limit price if you set one, the quantity, time in force when you placed it, and the current status such as queued, submitted, or partially filled. A quick reminder, a limit price is the maximum you'll pay for a buy or the minimum you'll accept for a sell. If the market doesn't reach that price during your order's active window, the order won't fill. This page helps you understand what the order is waiting on. If you decide the order no longer fits your plan, you can cancel it from this screen by tapping cancel. Keep in mind, cancelling is only possible if the order hasn't executed yet. If it's in the middle of filling, you may see a brief delay or the option may be unavailable. Once cancelled, the order will drop out of pending and you'll get a confirmation. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and manage your pending activity in Robinhood.